Tape-in hair extensions can enhance your look and add volume and length to your hair. However, proper care is crucial to ensure they last longer and maintain their quality. Here's a guide on how to care for your tape-in hair extensions effectively. Wondering how to care for tape-in extensions? This video has you covered. Tape-in hair extensions are a quick way to achieve instant length and volume. In fact, over half of hair extension enthusiasts choose tape-ins because they offer everything you need. They're lightweight, flat, sleek, easy to apply, and budget-friendly. However, proper care is essential to extend the lifespan of tape-in extensions. Without it, the extensions can become frizzy and prone to shedding, something no one wants. After installing tape-ins for your clients, be sure to teach them how to maintain their extensions to keep them looking glamorous. In this video, you'll find all the essential tips and tricks for caring for tape-in hair extensions. Think of it as your ultimate guide. Save this video and share these insights with your clients during their next salon visit for installation or maintenance.